Rose. We are playing items. Yo, wait a minute, I will fix this. So right. Silent check is girl. Okay. She's sick. Now I to check her. Hello. Bakit may tingin ako doon? Okay. So, she had cut. So she did so dirty. I need to brush her. Now I want to dance. Just only for kids yung pangbalat. Mabilis naman natapos. So I need to injection to treat. Now I need to bandage the will injection here. Another side. So I need a bandage for her. So she's not sick again or she injects. Maybe I see she will be fine. Maybe wait. I right away so I take and oh my gosh. No, I can't. So she pays my she will so she pay now. So bye bye.